After gathering feedback and reviews from users all over the internet, it is clear that the Lifewit Large Cooler Bag Insulated Lunch Bag has become a standout choice for those seeking a reliable, spacious, and versatile cooler bag for daily use, travel, and outdoor activities. If you own this product, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Lifewit Large Cooler Bag is designed to address the needs of people who require a portable, lightweight, and highly functional solution for keeping food and drinks cold or warm over extended periods. With a capacity of up to 23 liters, equivalent to about 32 cans, and dimensions of approximately 14.9 inches by 8.6 inches by 11 inches, this bag offers ample space for meals, beverages, and attendants and accessories. The double-layer design, featuring a main insulated compartment and a spacious top section, enhances its utility by allowing users to separate cold items from snacks or other essentials. One of the most frequently praised features is the bag's insulation performance. The combination of a 600D Oxford fabric exterior, PIVA foil lining, and EPE foam insulation allows the Lifewit bag to keep food and drinks cool or warm for more than 5 hours. Users have reported that with the addition of ice packs, the bag can maintain low temperatures for an entire workday, even during 12-hour shifts. Some reviewers have noted that the bottom section can keep cold packs frozen for over 12 hours, making it suitable for long trips or days out. The insulation also protects containers and contents from external temperature changes, which is particularly valuable for those traveling with perishable foods or medications. Durability is another area where this cooler bag excels. Many users have shared long-term experiences, with some using the bag daily for over 3 years without any noticeable wear or damage. The zippers are described as smooth and reliable, the stitching holds up under regular use, and the bag retains its shape and appearance over time. The hot pressing technology used in the lower section ensures a leak-proof and easy-to-clean interior, which is a significant improvement over traditional sewn cooler bags. Most spills or leaks can be wiped away with a damp cloth, and the PIVA lining resists stains and odors. The Lifewit Large Cooler Bag is also highly versatile. While its primary function is as a lunch or picnic cooler, users have found creative alternative uses. For example, some have repurposed it as a carry case for musical equipment, such as the positive Grid Spark 2 guitar amplifier, citing the cushioned interior and generous storage as ideal for protecting and transporting electronics. Flight attendants and frequent travelers have praised the bag for its ability to fit on top of carry-on luggage, its fold-flat design for packing in suitcases, and its capacity to carry meals, snacks, and even refrigerated medications on both short and extended trips. The bag's organizational features contribute to its popularity. It includes a wide top pocket, 2 side pockets, and 2 front pockets, providing dedicated spaces for utensils, condiments, napkins, phones, and other small items. The main compartment is large enough to accommodate several meal containers, drinks, and ice packs, while the top section is suitable for snacks, fruits, or non-refrigerated items. The padded handle and detachable shoulder strap offer 3 carrying styles, making it comfortable for users of different preferences. The bag is lightweight, weighing just 581 grams, which adds to its portability. Despite its many strengths, there are a few areas where users have identified room for improvement. Some have noted that the side mesh pockets are not deep enough to securely hold larger items like phones or water bottles. Others have reported that if ice is placed directly into the bag and melts, there is a risk of leakage through the bottom. To mitigate this, it is recommended to use ice packs or to place loose ice in a separate sealed bag. A small number of users have mentioned that the bag's structure could benefit from additional reinforcement, especially if it is frequently loaded with heavy items or used atop rolling luggage. Some have addressed this by adding their own structured inserts. In terms of aesthetics, the Lifewit Large Cooler Bag is described as sleek and unobtrusive, with a black Oxford fabric exterior that suits both professional and casual environments. Its understated design makes it appropriate for office use, picnics, beach trips, or as a travel accessory. The bag's ability to maintain its appearance over time, even with regular use, is frequently highlighted in user reviews. When it comes to value, the Lifewit Large Cooler Bag consistently receives high marks. With a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 11,000 reviews, and a bestseller rank in the camping coolers category, it is clear that the product delivers on its promises. Users often mention that the bag is well worth the price, especially considering its durability and performance. Some reviewers have stated that even if the bag were to wear out after a year of heavy use, they would not hesitate to purchase it again due to its affordability and utility. The Lifewit Large Cooler Bag's versatility is further demonstrated by its suitability for a wide range of users. Office workers, students, healthcare professionals, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts all report positive experiences. It is large enough to carry meals for multiple days, making it ideal for camping or road trips, yet compact enough to serve as a daily lunch bag without being bulky. The bag's ability to keep items cold or warm, combined with its organizational features and ease of cleaning, make it a practical choice for anyone needing a reliable cooler bag. In summary, the Lifewit Large Cooler Bag Insulated Lunch Bag stands out as a top choice for those seeking a spacious, durable, and versatile cooler. Its strong insulation, leak-proof construction, ample storage, and user-friendly design have earned it widespread praise from a diverse range of users. While there are minor areas for improvement, such as the depth of side pockets and potential for leaks with loose ice, these do not significantly detract from the overall performance and value of the product. If you are in the market for a cooler bag that can handle daily use, travel, and outdoor adventures, the Lifewit Large Cooler Bag is highly recommended. Don't forget to check the product link in the description and leave your own review if you have experience with this item. Your feedback helps others make informed choices and supports the channel.